Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see a Java program which will print the element in the array from first element it should print, then last element it should print, then second last, then uh, 43, then 3, then 7. Likewise, it should print the all element in the given array. So for this, what is the logic we will going to see here. So first we will define the two variables. One is from here we need to start input dot first index of this array and then last index. So for that we are defining two variables. Here first I am defining as a left equal to, initially it will be 0 and right will be int right is equal to, it will be uh, input dot length, means this input dot length minus 1. So we will get this element here is equal to right. So input dot length minus 1. So we will get right element here. Now what we will do, we will iterate through this array as a, it will it will break until the middles. So I will use while loop here. While left is less than equal to right. So for this I am using for this while loop. So it will reach to the each element. Then what we are going to do here, we will check if one more condition here, like left equal to right, means to print the middle of the element in the given array we are using this. So for this we will print left element. Next what we are going to do, if this is printed, then else what we are going to do, we will print left as well as right element. So system.out.println in here one thing we need to consider, left it is the main left here, uh, this is the index, means memory address we are referring here. So here we need to print input of left, means which is the character present at left we will going to print here. Then next will be, we are likewise we are printing right, input of right. So each element will be printed, and what we are going to do each time, left plus plus means each time it will incremented, and right minus minus. I hope this you got this logic, guys. It is a simple, just we need to define each index point into the left, index address into the left, and we have to iterate over this, means we have to plus plus and minus minus this left, means address of this array elements. That is the simple logic for this problem, guys. Let me run this program. So yeah, we will check if we will get the desired output or not. Here we see the output is printed in the, so it is printing like 1 3 4 43. So here we are using println, just we need to print, so it will print in one line. Let me rerun this. Here we need to provide spaces as well. So if you see, now it is printed properly and will print properly. Here we get the desired output like 1 first printed, then last 3, then 4, then 43. This is the basic program guys, which will print for 11 from first to last. Thanks for the watching videos. If you like the content, then subscribe to my channel, like, share. Thanks.